Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. On today's episode, I'm going to take a closer look at one of our newest products. It's our Flex Plus, 3 products in one. So let's get to know all the pieces to our Flex Plus, starting with the charging station. This is our charging station, and I've got a battery that has just charged, so it's got a green light. Green means it's ready to go, and I'll just pop that out, and the next one just pops right in like this, and it has a red light, which means it's not fully charged. When you first get your Flex Plus, it'll take about 2.5 hours to fully charge the batteries. Each battery has a life of 30 minutes. 30 minutes is a lot of time. It doesn't take that long to mix a cake or to chop some onions or make some mayonnaise. So each battery will give you 30 minutes of work time. Next is the power handle, which is this right here. And your battery just easily clips on to the handle like that, and you can see that you get a little light for go. The next piece of equipment is the immersion blender attachment, and it will attach to the end of the power handle just like that, and you turn it on. There's a safety underneath here. You want to make sure that you push that. It will lighten up the button, and look. Oops. Push it. Go now. There you go. So to unclip it, you just push these in like this, and it'll just unclip. Super easy. It also comes with a blending container with a lid, and the blending container does have the measurements on there, so you can make things like mayonnaise or whipped cream, that kind of thing. Other things you would use your immersion blender for would be for doing things like frothing milk, or purees, whipped creams. You can use it for dips, lattes, marinades, mayonnaise, all sorts of things. The next piece we're going to take a look at is the hand mixer. So your power handle easily clips on, and it's actually very lightweight. I mean, way more lightweight than I ever thought it would be. And this is where you attach your beaters. It does come with 2. Comes with a regular beater and then a whipping beater to do like whipped cream and things. So these just attach just like a regular hand mixer would attach. There you go. Hold on, I'll get it in the right way. There you go. And there you go. And then there's a little button here that you push and you get it started. And it does have 3 speeds. Wait. 1, 2, 3. To get these off, it's just like a regular hand mixer. You just push it in and they'll pop out. There you go. And then to get this off, you just squeeze and it'll come straight off. Super easy, right? All right, we're gonna move on to the food processor part right here. This is your bowl, food processor bowl. This is your lid, which houses the gearbox. Food plunger right here. Does come with 3 blades, and they're just all nestled in here. This one is for grating, as you can see. It even tells you this side up, so when you put it together to use, you know which side to go, which is handy. This one is for your slicing. Is your slicing blade. And then finally, obviously, see, this is your multi-purpose blade in here. There you go. And that just comes off like that. See, super easy. So to use the slicing blade, you would just put that back in here, pop the slicing blade on top like this, clip on the lid and lock it into place. And then now the power handle goes right in here, just like that. Sorry. There you go. Isn't that nifty? So those are all the pieces. All right, let's cut something up next. How's that? The first thing I'm going to show you is how to chop some onions. So I have the multi-blade right here. You just set it in. I'm going to lock the lid in place. I also wanted to point out that the base has this rubber so that it won't slide across your countertop, so it'll make it nice and sturdy for you. I am also then going to attach the handle, power handle, and it does have a safety button here, which I will go ahead and push and turn on the manual food processor, and then I'm gonna start adding my onions. So this will help me later on for dinner, because if you know me and my family, if you've seen any of my videos, you know just how much we love onions. There you go. So now I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to pop the handle off. I'm going to unscrew this and show you my chopped onions. There you go. Look at that, you guys. I got onions chopped up, ready for tonight. Now, all of these pieces are dishwasher safe, which is super nice. The only thing is this needs to be just wiped down. It is not dishwasher safe. All right, moving on to the next thing. Now I want to show you just how easy it is to make homemade mayonnaise. So to start with, you need 1 egg at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh is always best. I didn't have any, so we're just using this good old lemon juice. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard, so I'll just give it a little squeeze. All right, a little bit of salt. And then a cup of any neutral oil. So I am using grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, sapphire oil. Those are all good oils. Do not use extra virgin olive oil. That will make it a little bit bitter. So now I'm going to pour the oil in. There we go. And I'm going to grab my immersion blender, the immersion wand, and attach it just like that. Place it inside. Let me get a better view here for you guys. I'm sorry. There you go. I'm going to put that in here. Remember, it has a little safety on the bottom, so I'm going to push that up, and then I'm just going to push the button. Start blending. Take about 30 seconds for it to start turning into mayonnaise. I'm going to keep it down, and once it starts making a mayonnaise, I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up and go side to side. Who knew it was so easy to make homemade mayonnaise? That's it, you guys. Let me get that better angle. That is it. All right. Now for the taste test. It tastes better than store-bought. It's delicious. Now I'm thinking you can add any flavoring to it you want. My next one, I'm gonna add some herbe de Provence to mine, but you could probably put any flavoring you want in it. If you wanted to make more of a Miracle Whip, I would probably add a little bit of sugar because Miracle Whip is kind of sugary and vinegary. Anyway, I want to just show you. Can you see in there? Mayonnaise. Super cool, right? All right, you guys, the last one is the cake, the hand mixer to make a cake. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to use the hand mixer. So in my brand new plastic mixing bowl, I have some cake mix. I'm going to add the water and the oil and the eggs, just following the box of cake mix on the recipe. And I'm going to grab the hand mixer and the handle, attach it. I'm going to use the cake beaters. Okay, there you go. And again, it has the little safety button here. That's it. Mixing around my cake. Let's go a little faster. There you go. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. There we go. Can't wait. Gonna have a yummy cake tonight. There you go. So now I have shown you all of the 3 pieces. I'm super excited about this Flex Plus. I think it's gonna come in very handy in my home. I've got my mayonnaise with the lid on. I'm about to put this in the refrigerator and I'm gonna have some delicious mayonnaise for my sandwich tomorrow. Thanks you guys so much for watching. And if you would like to get this product in your kitchens, please be sure to reach out to me. Now, I know you know the drill. Be sure to subscribe. Ring the bell so you will be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Give me some thumbs up and please share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy cooking. Bye.